Topographic maps often use contour lines to show how the ground is shaped. It enables people to calculate the elevation above sea level of the landforms and compare heights of the features on the map. These maps usually show highways, rivers, and other features as well. Students will mold the clay into the shape of a mountain that is about 10 centimeters or more in height. Here is the recipe and method that we use to create the clay. They should make the mountain steeper to one side. The other side should have a more gradual slope. They will set the clay mountain on a piece of paper and draw around the mountain with a marker. They should now place the block next to the mountain, laying a firm, flat object on top of the block with one end next to the mountain. They will slide the block and the ruler all the way around the mountain, making a mark around it. A marker should reinforce the line in the clay. Students can look down over the mountain and see their first contour line. Students will repeat this process, adding a second block of the same size and making a second contour line. They should make a third line and a fourth contour line. Have students make a contour map of their clay mountain. There will be some estimation in transferring the contours to paper, but it should be a fairly accurate representation. They can carefully lift the clay mountain and use the outline of the mountain as their starting point, or they can work on a new sheet of paper. Have them look down at the contour lines they drew on the mountain and try to draw them on their paper. They should start with the line that outlined the mountain and put a 0 on it. Have them measure the distance from the first to the second line in centimeters and write this number beside the first contour line. They will repeat this for all the contour lines they drew. Answer the questions for Part C in the Student Journal.